Chill, wait. If you're gonna do that, I gotta get someone to kill his ass with.
He up there doing what
A foot! You kill him with a foot, Nelson.
The roach is up there doing what he wanna do.
Nelson's like,
Regardless of any rules, and when anybody say he doing what he wanna do.
You're lurking around here somewhere, dog. Oh, there it is! Oh, God!
ah! Hey, I'm the tape guy. I'm the tape guy. That's your house. This guy's chilling. Straight chilling. Yeah. Damn, do the damn thing.
He's gonna run right when he gets.
He might just fly away, man.
Do the damn thing. He's not gonna fly. If you get him on the ground, I'll kill him. God, you're such a... There, right there, perfect. Dude, you're...
Oh, shit!
Come on! You can even see his antennas moving around. This is...
Yep, they're doing what they want to.
You broke it!
No.
Yeah.
Did I?
Yeah, he did! Oh! There he is!
Whoa! On him.
Oh! Shit, dude!
Fucker.
Oh!
Step on him.
They're doing what they want to do.
Motherfucker. Trying to run up on my shit.
Look what happened all because of a cockroach. The fucking window broke.
No. I'm gonna put it back up there now.
That shattered!
You think it'll be able to fucking...
Dude,
Little fit.
I think it'll fit back.
it'll fit, but there's pieces missing, bro.
Fuck.
How did that even happen?
One shot over here at me in slow motion.
All because of this guy. This fool.
Maybe it might fit like this.
Perfect.
No, it's just not gonna stay at all.
No, I need...
Fuck it.
I don't know what happened, but my light shattered. It fell.
That shit ain't no lot of money.
Right now, it's not gonna stay.